Today I want to talk about something that honestly feels like a hidden superpower in our Norwex consultant account, and that is AutoSave. Now, before you roll your eyes, like I did, and you say, I don't like subscriptions, or I don't want 10 bags of laundry detergent piling up in my garage. Trust me, I've been there. I felt the same way at first. But once I actually looked at the math, because I originally joined for the discount, like I want to get my products cheaper. Once I looked at the math and thought about the mission and the way AutoSave simplifies our life and our business, I just realized it made too much sense not to do it. So today I'm going to show you why AutoSave is actually the smartest way to buy our products, how it saves us money and time, and exactly how to set it up or edit it if you need to. First, I want to zoom out for a minute. One of the biggest things we talk about as Norwex consultants is control. We can't control everything happening in the world, what manufacturers are putting in their products, the hidden labels and ingredients. What we can control is what comes inside our home, what we let our babies use. And AutoSave helps us stay consistent with safer products without having to remember to reorder them or maybe accidentally running out and then grabbing something from the store that we really don't want to. And let's be honest, there's literally nothing more ironic in the world than being a Norwex consultant and running out of her Norwex detergent. So AutoSave removes that problem completely. It also saves me money because I'm not buying random smaller orders, which is fantastic. So I love math, and I originally joined to save some money on my Norwex. So here's where it gets exciting. As consultants, we already receive a 35% consultant discount, or we can earn 35% commission. So 35% discount. Now we add AutoSave and we save an additional 10% off our reoccurring orders, and that means we're stacking savings. And if our AutoSave order reaches $150 retail before our discount, we actually get free shipping too. So instead of placing random orders throughout the month and paying shipping or forgetting something and running out, we build one smart scheduled order. Less stress, more savings, and more control, and I'm all about having a little bit of control over my life. So this is important because AutoSave isn't just about convenience. AutoSave actually supports our business because we always have products on hand to do a quick demo with a friend, to stay stocked up on our personal favorites. We maintain consistent product usage, and that helps the education we might share with others feel authentic, right? And when we consistently use products ourselves, our content and the words we say is speaking from personal experience. And that experience and consistency builds credibility. So for AutoSave, I always recommend just starting out with the consumables. These are the things we're always going to need, we're always going to use. Laundry products, dish soap, Biozyme, all-in-one bathroom cleaner, our skincare, personal care products, refills we never want to run out of. And most refills work really well on a 3-month frequency. And that way I'm not getting too much, and I receive my order right around the time I need it. This keeps my home stocked up without overloading my cabinets with tons of extra stuff. And here's the biggest misconception. AutoSave is not rigid. We're always in control of our AutoSave. We can skip a shipment, change the quantity of an item, adjust the frequency of our deliveries, change the ship date, add or remove items anytime, cancel anytime, and we get an email reminder before it processes, about a week before it processes, and we have up until 1 day before it processes to edit. So that's not something that traps us, it's something that works for us. All right, I'm gonna set a new AutoSave up, and I'm just gonna show you how simple it is. First, we're gonna log in to our Norwex consultant account. We'll go to place an order, and in that order, we want to look under each item to see if it's an eligible item to add to AutoSave. Select Add AutoSave, choose your frequency. I always recommend 3 months, and that's it. You'll automatically receive 10% off each reoccurring order. It's genius, fantastic, and I can edit the order too. So let's talk about how to edit the order. So once you have your AutoSave set up, to edit it, you just log into your account, click on your name, go to Account Details, select AutoSave, and from here, we can view our next shipment. We can change the ship date. We can even add a one-time item, which is fantastic because I always need something here and there. And I like doing that so that I reach the free shipping threshold. Or we can skip or adjust the orders. You want to align items to ship together so that everything arrives in one box and we're saving some money. And here's what many consultants don't realize. AutoSave can actually help us stay active without overthinking it. So we're always having an active consultant account. If you structure your AutoSave around the consumables you already love and use, your business stays consistent automatically. So instead of scrambling to place a qualifying order later, you set it once and then adjust it as needed. That is working smarter and saving a little bit more money too. Now, sometimes with my AutoSave order, I'll add some additional items. If I want to get a little bit more detergent, I'll go in, I'll edit the order. I can even change the ship date so it ships sooner and qualify for free shipping. It's like the most adjustable, flexible system that I have in place. So if you don't have AutoSave set up, I really encourage you to look at your everyday essentials. Make a list and build your first order. Start small. Choose the items that you never want to run out of. Maybe it's your moisturizer, your laundry detergent, or both. Let the system work for you instead of you working harder and spending more money. It's a cleaner, simpler, smarter way to go.